Welcome to Whisper Nature Bungalow, your serene escape on Cat Ba Island, where luxury meets nature's embrace. Scan the QR code on your screen now to secure your stay in this haven of tranquility. Nestled along Vietnam's breathtaking coastline, this intimate retreat is designed for those who seek both adventure and repose. Each bungalow is a private sanctuary, blending rustic charm with thoughtful comforts, inviting you to unwind amidst lush greenery and the gentle whispers of the island breeze. Wake to the melody of nature, with the jungle's chorus as your morning alarm and the soft lapping of waves just moments away. Here, simplicity is elevated to an art form. Begin your day with a freshly prepared breakfast, savoring local flavors on your private terrace. Let the dedicated staff handle every detail as you slip into the rhythm of island time. Express check-in ensures your escape begins the moment you arrive, while ample parking offers peace of mind for explorers arriving by car. Evenings unfold with equal grace. Sip handcrafted cocktails at the bar as the sun dips below the horizon, or lose yourself in the vibrant energy of karaoke under the stars. Wander through the meticulously tended gardens, where every path leads to quiet corners perfect for reflection. And for families, the warm welcome extends to the youngest travelers, with little ones under 6 enjoying their stay free of charge, making it effortless to create memories together. At Whisper Nature Bungalow, every moment is an invitation to pause, breathe, and reconnect with nature, with loved ones, and with yourself. Don't let this retreat remain a dream. Scan the QR code now to book your journey into serenity. Your island oasis awaits.